you're looking for. You want me to claim this child you bore, but I know that it was he, not me. And you know just how it's got to be. Wickedness lies in your Martian lips. Your body moves just like the crack of a whip. Blackouts lay atop your satin bed. You sure wish that you could see me dead.